Hi there. This video is a updated version of the Hill module in Star Tools. I found a better way to lay the stars back in. I was having a little bit of trouble on my previous method where the stars weren't always looking that great. So this seems to be working with a much better result. So this is the method. I'm using Star Tools version 1.7.455, the latest update. So I'm going to work on one of my old data taken with my 200 PDS and Zoo 294 one-shot color camera. It's NGC 7000 North America Nebula, in particular the wall part of the nebula. I'm going to choose linear. I do on most of my images, and for the sake of the video I'm going to bin it 50%. It makes processing quicker. Auto develop. Okay, I'm going to crop any stacking artifacts out. Wipe. And now I like to do a manual develop on most of my images, so manual develop. Now this is the point where we need to make our star mask. We need a good star mask. So choose mask and auto using fat stars. This will use the data non-stretched and pick up the bigger stars. And then we're going to add to that small stars and see if we can pick up these few that have been missed. Not that it's going to be that much of a problem. Yeah, it's gone. Well, what I'm going to do is keep my spikes. We can dismiss them if you like, remove them if you want. I'll show you both ways. So what I'm going to do is just click on these to make sure they've got the star covered and not the spikes at the moment. Hope I'll make myself clear. And I'm going to save that. Undo. Okay, let's save that as Star Mask 1. And now I'm going to catch the spikes. Oops. Only on the big stars. Make it easy. We don't want to start messing around with all of them. Just for the purposes of this particular video, to show you both options. Now, I want to make sure that I've got everything covered that I need. To bring out the perfection spikes in their full. Otherwise they look a little bit naff if there's bits missing, like the glow from the star. We can make them look pretty false, which we don't want. Oops, undo that. Now I want to bring the spikes in. I'm going to drag a line right across the middle of the star on each spike, on the ones I want to keep. You could say this is cheating, but then isn't all processing cheating? The perfect photo doesn't need any processing. So we're just making the most of the data we got to suit our individual liking. And this video, say, is for just to show you what we can do. And a couple of different methods to do it. Have I got them? Yes, grow once. Let me just check this one down here. Where's my similar brightness? Grow once. Save. Star Mask 2. Clear, invert, keep. Now we're going to colour our stars. So we need to go to colour wherever it is. There it is. And this is purely for the stars, not the nebula. So get stars into the colour we like. Blue stars blue, the red stars red. And the saturation that we want. Blue stars, red stars. Yeah, I like that. So keep it and save it as stars dot tiff. Save. Now undo our colour and stop tracking. No noise reduction. Open up my mask. Open, and I'm going to open Star Mask 2. Keep it, keep. And we're going to go to White Hill, and new must be darker than old. Okay, so it's got most of our stars out. We've got lifted a few donuts and rings here and there. So what I'm going to do now is remove them, lasso, and I'm just going to literally go around and lasso all of these star artifacts out of the picture, or lasso them ready to remove out of the image. Anything I don't like. Little donuts, including the spikes. There's no finesse in this really. Big one now. Okay, so keep that. And now we're going to go to heal and leave that on no. See if we've got everything we need to be gone. Yeah. Good enough. Clear the mask. So now we need to start tracking again so we can do all the work properly. I'm just going to do simple here. I'm going to do HDR color, noise reduction, and sharp. Color. Colours all down to personal preference. It's hard to say. It's just what you like, really. Who knows? That's okay for what we need to do. So now I'm going to do my noise reduction. Okay, now noise reduction is done. I'm going to sharp, medium and large, or large and medium only. There's a subtle difference. Okay, now I'm going to save that as my 7000 .tef. Save. Now we're going to put the stars back in. So we need to mask. Firstly, I'm going to do the show you without the spikes, which was mask 1, and keep. And we're going to go to the layers, open our stars image, and a bit of blur, and mask fuzz. You've got the image without the star spikes in, but I want my spikes, so I'm going to open up the one with the star spikes and keep, and now we've got my spikes in there. We keep that, and there is our image with our stars layered back in. Obviously you can do a lot more in time. This is a quick-ish video to show you the method of star removal and replacing again. I hope it's helped you and or will help you. Thanks for watching.